Today, I am going to show you exactly how to add shared folders to my Google Drive on this video on PMN Online. Let's get started by addressing a common challenge that many Google Drive users face: managing shared folders. You might have files and folders shared with you by colleagues, friends, or collaborators, but finding them every time in the shared section can be a hassle. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to easily add these shared folders to your own Google Drive, streamlining your workflow and making file management a breeze. To kick things off, you need to open Google Drive. If you haven't already done so, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. It's essential to ensure that you're signed in with the correct Google account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Google Drive homepage. This serves as your main hub where all your files are neatly organized and accessible. Now, let's focus on the Shared With Me section. Look to the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll find a menu with several options. Click on Shared With Me. This section is specially created to house all the files and folders that others have shared with you. It can be a valuable resource, especially if you're actively collaborating on projects. Whether it's a team project, school assignment, or shared family photos, this section keeps those shared items handy. Once you've opened the Shared With Me section, you'll see a list of all the shared items. Feel free to browse through this list to find the specific folders or files you wish to add to your drive. If the list is extensive and you're having trouble locating something, use the search bar at the top of the screen to narrow down your options quickly. When you find the folder or file you want to add, click on it to highlight it. If you have multiple items you want to transfer, simply hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking the items. Now comes the exciting part: transferring these items to your own drive. With your desired files or folders selected, drag and drop them into My Drive, which you'll find in the navigation pane on the left side. And that's it. This action moves the items into your personal drive, giving you the freedom to organize them however you like. By doing so, you ensure that you always have quick and easy access to these files without wading through the Shared With Me section every time. Managing these folders in your own drive not only enhances your workflow efficiency, but also saves valuable time, preventing the need to repeatedly search for important shared documents. Keeping your files organized this way can significantly impact your ability to stay on top of shared projects and collaborations. And just like that, you've learned how to add shared folders to your Google Drive. We hope this tutorial made the process clear and easy to follow, helping you to simplify your file organization and improve productivity. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to add shared folders to my Google Drive quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.